Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on Sonicblend by Todd Beauty. I did a little review on it the other day, which you're gonna see here in a second, and then I reused it again today. But yeah, so stay tuned for my talk through with it, with using it for the first time. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. It moves. It's so cool. And I guess you just blend it. It's not that stout. I don't know about this. I feel like it's not making my makeup full coverage. I feel like it's taking some of that away. I don't know if that's just because it's a new brush. Oh, it has different speeds. Okay, so my first impression on this is I'm not 100% about it. I might actually return it. I'm sorry, Todd. I got it from Macy's, but it's $80. Like, it's $70 and some change, or 77. Oh my goodness, my husband makes fun of me for this every time. I always forget the number. The second number, I always remember the first number of the price, but never the second. So it's like 70 something. It probably was 79 and I'm not even remembering it. But anyway, so it was 70 something from Macy's and I had a whole bunch of points, plenty points. So I used that to buy it, and I don't think it's worth the $79. I mean, especially for foundation. I think it was kind of uneven. It's not the best brush I've ever used. I actually prefer a different brush, a more stout brush. This is actually, see, it's a little bit softer. It's really soft. It's not great for mattifying foundations, which is what I use. I don't like to use ones that have a lot of moisture or oil in it because I'm very oily. So this might actually be a perfect brush for someone who has dry skin that uses a more slick, moisturizing foundation. It might be perfect for you, but for me, because my foundation is so mattifying that it just kind of sticks to it and it doesn't feel comfortable using. So I think I might be returning this. I'll wash it first because I think that's the nice thing to do. And I'm using a brand new camera. So this is the first time I've used this. Hope this sounds good. I hope that you're enjoying this. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. I don't know what else to say today. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.